Okay guys, so a few years ago I saw on Instagram an interesting ceramic coffee cup with a peacock on it, and it was really interesting, and I really wanted to buy one, but at that time I didn't find it on AliExpress or eBay. So now, after about 2 years, I brought one from AliExpress. I made the order on June 26 and the package arrived on my post office on June 29. The cost was about $40.65. I will put a print screen in the video about the seller and all the details about this item. This is made from ceramic from Chinese porcelain. Have a very colorful peacock on it, and let's see what I've got. The package is pretty big. Have about 6" on 5" and is wrapped in the well-known black plastic bag, like all the Chinese items we brought from AliExpress or eBay. I will use a knife to open the plastic bag and we'll see what we've got here. Let's see. Let's open the plastic bag. I don't know why these Chinese use this kind of plastic bag. Looks like garbage bags for me. Let's see what we've got inside. We have a box. The box is wrapped in bubble. Let's open this. It is a pretty interesting thing. I believe the box is made from polystyrene. Yes. The box is made from polystyrene, and it is really good wrapped. I really believe the item is in one piece. I don't want to use super glue or I don't know to make it again in one piece, but it looks pretty well. The package looks pretty well. Let's open it and see what we've got inside. Oh. And let's see what we have here. I think this is the plate. I will try to take it off. Let's see. I don't see any damage or any kind of defect. Looks pretty well. I didn't expect to look so great, even if I saw some recensions on this buyer. Looks pretty well. Gorgeous colors. Let's put it here and let's see the mug. Great. Looks awesome. Don't have even one scratch. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's put it here. And here must be a spoon. The spoon have a hole here, probably you can hang it somewhere. It is a small spoon, probably for sugar. It is also in nice shape. Let's see how it looks here. Focus, focus. Look at that. A beautiful coffee mug from China. It arrives in about 1 month from China to Europe, to Romania. And I am very happy with the results. This item is really, really beautiful. Now I will enjoy a hot coffee in my new coffee mug. Take care and have a nice day.